Hello. Today I'm gonna explain you something about compounding. We'll consider example of something that compounds 100% and it compounds instantly. I mean compounds constantly. And let me show you an example of what I mean. Yeah, let me see. Let me show you an example of what I mean. Okay, here's a problem. Okay. A deposit of $3,000 was made into an account that provides a return of 100% compounded daily. Not just a return, an annual return. A deposit of $3,000 was made into an account that provides an annual return of 100% compounded daily. The question is, what will be the balance? In 1 year. Okay, it's very easy if it does not compound daily, if it only compounds annually. If it compounds annually, if it compounded annually, and it would be easy. It would be just 3,000 times 2. Yes, that's what it is. 3,000 times 2. It would give me $6,000. But if it's compounded daily, not annually, then it's different. I need to take 3,000. I multiply by 1 plus 1 over 365 to the power of 1 times 365. So since it's 1 which is 100%, which is principal, plus 100% interest, divided into 365 periods. So I will take it to the power of 1 year times 365 periods. Now what am I gonna get? It will be 3,000 times, and how much is this? Let me take a calculator. One plus 1 divided by 365 to the power of 365. Look what I got. I got 2.714567 and so on. That's what I got. So this deposit provides an imaginary annual return of 100%, which doesn't exist in the real world, of course. And it compounds daily. So that's what I get. It grows 2.7 times. Yes. If it compounds daily. Now, what if it compounds constantly? Instead of daily, I will write constantly. You see, instead of the word daily, I will write the word constantly. Now see what will happen. Since it's constantly, then it will be 3000 times e to the power of 1. That what e is. E is a special irrational number, which means 100% annual interest return compounded constantly, which is 3000 times 2 point, let me see what E is. $2.7182. 81828, which is approximate number. So you see, when it's compounded daily, it's very close to compounded constantly. Very close. So how about if I will make it not 1 year, let me make it 3 years. Then it will be what? It will be 3000 times e to the power of 3. And how much is that? Let me tell you. 3000 times e to the power of 3. It will be 60,000. 60,256. That's what it is. Point like something. It's not an exact, it's some approximate answer. That's what it is. So that's the purpose of E. Now let me show you what is the purpose of natural logarithm. Natural logarithm is opposite of E. That's what natural logarithm. Ln is opposite of E. For example, if I want to find e to the power of x equals, let's say, 75. Ln is opposite. Ln e to the power of x equals ln 75. Which is, how much is ln 75? I can do it with my calculator. Ln 75 equals, let me show you what it means. Ln 75 equals 4.3 174 88 114. You see, let me check it. So e to the power of 4.317488114 should be how much? Okay, let me take a calculator. Four point 317488114. Exactly 75. So that's what linear logarithm is. Linear logarithm is opposite of e. So how do I use it in real life? Let me show you. And what if I have this kind of problem? Okay. A deposit of $3,000 was made into an account, into an imaginary account that provides a return of 100% compounded constantly. And now I want to ask a question. In how many years will it be, no, let's say $9 million? Yes. So there is an imaginary account that pays 100% return, compounded constantly, not daily, constantly, and 100% annual return. Yes, it's provide an annual return of 100% compounded constantly. So in how many years will it be $9 million? Okay, so I make an equation. 3000 I multiply by e to the power of x equals 9 million. That's all. That's how I do it. My first step, I divide both sides of equation by 3000. So it's gonna be e to the power of x equals it will be 3000, isn't it? How much is 3000 times 3000? It's gonna be 9 million, isn't it? All right, so how do I solve this equation? Very easy. ln 3000. Because ln, which is natural logarithm, is opposite of e. Let me use a calculator. ln of 3000 equals about 8. Let me be more precise at 8.006 367 568. Let me check it. So let me check. So I take $3,000. I multiply it by e to the power of 8.006367568. It means in 8 years it's gonna be $9 million. In 8 years. Okay, so let me do it. So 3000 I multiply by e to the power of 8.006367568. Exactly right, it gave me exactly 9 million. Yes. What is ln? ln, basically ln is a logarithm of e. That's what it is. Let me erase it. And let me write it clear. That ln means log e. That's what it is.